Hey, hello everyone. Hope you are good and enjoying the coding. Till session we have focused on the basic program and intermediate program. In this session we are focusing on the advanced program. In intermediate program we have seen some triangle patterns as well as some pyramid patterns. In this session in advanced program also we have some patterns, but we are not looking those patterns. So what we are going to cover in this session? In this session we are going to cover one game. Okay, what is that game? Guessing number game. Okay, so what we will do, we will ask user to remember one number, and with the help of our questions we can guess that number. And how many questions we will ask? That is a very minimal question. Let's understand this game. So remember one number between 1 to 100, and I will ask few questions for guessing this number 1 to 100. I will ask maximum 8 questions to you, and based on that question I will guess what number you have remembered. Okay, so let's start to implement this program. I am creating one file, guess.py. So this is a game, right? So what we will do, we will give one welcome message, welcome in guessing number world. Okay, now I will ask user to remember one number between 1 to 100. Remember number between 1 to 100. Let's assume I have remembered 43 number. I am not asking user which number you have remembered. Okay, currently I have remembered 43. Now with the help of some questions I will identify that, or I will guess that 43 number. So here I don't know how many iterations I needed. Okay, why 8 question? I will give that answer once the program is ready. Okay, so the here minimum value is 1 and maximum value will be 100. Okay, and while true, because I don't know how many iterations we needed for identifying or guessing this number. If I use a for loop here, then I need some number of iterations. So instead of while for loop I will use a while loop. So now the first question to user. Okay, so question number 1, this is a question number 1. I am printing this question number also here. Question number 1, this is a question. Okay, once this question number is printed I will increment this question number by 1. Now first question, the guess number is 1 or 100? User say no. So this will be our first question, and we will take the answer from user. Is the guess number is either 1 or 100, min or max? Okay, so this is a question. If user say yes, you are correct, my guess number is 1 or 100, then we will stop here. We'll say here we will print that I have correctly guessed the number. Okay, and I will stop the execution. After execution I want to give some proper formatting, so I am printing some star. So here before break statement we will print this. Okay, is the guess number is either 1 or 100? I have remembered 43. Is guess number is correct? No. Then we need to do some coding here, right? So what is that coding? Then again I will ask one more question to user. This question is for just comparing this is your correct number or not. If this is not correct, then I will ask one question. So what is that question? So let's see. Input is equal to input number is greater than this value. Yes or no? Just tell me the number which you have guessed is greater than the what number I am saying is greater than this. User have to answer yes or no. Okay, if user say yes, the number is greater than any value whatever you have asked, then I will perform some operation here. So what are those operations? So don't remember this operation. Okay, once the code is ready, I will give a details about that operation. What are those operations? Okay, else max will be this value. Yeah, our program is ready or our game is ready. Let's see what is this. Okay, so maybe so I have directly written the code. Maybe we can face some syntax issue. We remove. So welcome in guessing number world. Remember number between 1 to 100. I have remembered 43. Question number 1. Is the guess number is either 1 or 100? No. Number is greater than 50? No. My number is 43. Okay. So that's why I have answered this. So question number 1 completed. Our code not able to identify the answer in first round. Okay. Next round. Is the guess number is either 1 or 50? No. Number is greater than 25? Yes. 2 questions are completed. Till program haven't identified the 43 number. Is the guess number is either 25 or 50? No. Number is greater than 37? Yes, because it's 43. Question number 4. Is the guess number is either 37 or 50? No. Is the number is greater than 43? My answer is 43. It is greater than 43? No. So is the guess number is either 37 or 43? Number is 43. Yes. I have correctly guessed the number. Number is 43. With the help of only 5 questions, I have identified that number. If you want to guess any other number, let's guess that number. Guessing number is a 6. Is the guess number is either 1 or 100? No. 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 Is the guess number is 1 or 25? No. Greater than 30? Greater than 13? No. 1 or 13? No. Greater than 7? No, because it's 6. Is the guess number is 1 or 7? No. Greater than 4? Yes. So is the guess number is 4 or 7? No. Greater than 5? Yes. Is the guess number is either 5 or 7? No. Greater than 6? Number is 6. Greater than 6? No. Is the guess number is either 5 or 6? Correct. It's 6. I have correctly guessed the number. Question number 8. With the help of only 8 questions, I can guess your number, whatever you have remembered. Because the algorithm which we have implemented, this algorithm is called as a binary search. And the time complexity of binary search is a log n. So log 100, it means 7 to 8. If I have to guess a number between 1 to 50, then I just need a log 50, that means maximum 5 questions. Okay, in this way, with the help of log n time complexity or log n questions, I can guess that number. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, let's understand some more programs, that is search element and sort element. So before implementing searching and sorting algorithm, let's understand what are the important searching and sorting algorithms. In search, we have 2 algorithms, linear search and binary search. Linear search is also called as a sequential search because it will iterate through a whole list and check the element. If the element is found, then it will say I found the element. Otherwise, at the end it will say element does not found, and its time complexity is big O of n. It means if there are 10 elements, then finding any elements you need at least 10 iterations. But this is not happening with a binary search. But there is a one criteria for binary search. If you are going to implement a binary search, then the listed element should be sorted. If the elements are not sorted, then we cannot use a binary search. And its time complexity is very less. But before that, we need a sorted elements to search. Okay, then what are the sorting algorithms? There are lots of sorting algorithms are now available in the market or over the different libraries, like bubble sort, selection sort, merge, quick, bubble, bucket, and insertion sort. Apart from that, there are a heap sort or lots of sorting algorithms. With the help of these sorting algorithms, we can sort the elements. So let's implement one of the sort. Okay. So very important or very simple sort is a bubble sort. So let me create one list 192876534. These are the 10 elements. Okay, let me print these 10 elements as it is. Okay, these are a unsorted list. If I have to sort this with the help of Python, then what I will do, I will use a sort function which is present on the list, numList.sort. Okay, now let's print this list. You can see all the elements are sorted here. This is a first way to sort the element. If you don't want to use this sorting method on the list, what we will do, there is one additional function that is a sorted. That function we can use here to sort the list. You can see here, this is also sorted list. And if you don't want to use this predefined function, then what we will do, we will implement a algorithm. So let's implement a bubble sort. So bubble means either large element we will keep at first position, or small element we will keep at a first position, then next element at the next position. In this way we will implement this bubble. For I in range function we need to use, because if there are 10 elements, then we need to iterate first loop 10 times, then range of len of numList plus 1, because it always start from the 0 and end with the -1. That's why plus 1 is used here. The next loop will be the j in range of I will be the first element, next will be the I plus 1 element. Okay, then till length of numList. Okay, in this way, and here we will check if numList of first element is greater than numList of second element. That's it, only these things. Then swap the element. For swapping, either you can use a temporary variable or you can directly swap in this way. numList of j common numList of I. Okay, print the list. You can see now this is sorted in ascending order. If you have to change the sequence, then we can use a descending. So what I did here, so first loop always start with 0 to length minus length plus 1. It means 0 to 9. The next loop will start plus I plus 1. So first element 1 is compared with 9. If first element is greater, then we will replace this value. Here for second iteration 9 is greater than 10, so 10 will be replaced to the first position. In this way we can swap the element. I hope this sorting algorithm is clear to you. If still you have any doubt or you want to implement any algorithm, then comment me. I will implement that algorithm in very simple way. Thank you. See you in next session.